So this is what we are using for the bag, and it measures about 20 inches, as you can see, by 9.5 inches. So both of them, that's the two materials, are the same size. So I had to cut two of it. So the next thing is to come down by 1.5 and from the side go in by 2.5. Do this to the two sides of one of the material. 1.5 down, 2.5 in. So at that point we'll be fixing this, our adjuster. So this is how we'll be fixing it. I'll go ahead and sew it to that point. I'll also sew it to the other points too. Also for this other part, I'll be attaching this handle, but I'll definitely fold it with the same fabric. So I went down by 2.5. That will be the point I'll be attaching the handle after folding it with this black material. So I just go ahead and sew it down from the two sides, leaving the middle. I won't touch the middle so that somebody's hand can go through the middle. So before then, if you want to make your back stiff, you can add something like this. So this is what we have after sewing it. This is it after sewing it. So the next thing to do is to add a zipper. Of course, we'll be adding the lining too. So I positioned it like this and I went ahead to sew it straight. After that, I'll flip it to the other side and seal it. So this is what I have after sewing it straight. Of course, I'm going to be flipping it to the other side and then sew it down. I'll go ahead and also sew the other parts, add lining to the other parts. So this is what we have after everything, and I've already added lining to this other part too. So this is what we have. I went ahead to add my zipper. That's the zipper head. This is it. And of course, after doing this, just don't forget to notch. So I'll be pinning them at the notch points. So notch to notch, and then I'll go ahead and pin. Or use your peg. You can use your peg, you can use your pin. So this is how I'm going to do it. So go ahead, follow this step and do yours like that. So after pinning, this is what you should have. So you go ahead and sew it round. And after sewing it round, this is what we have. Of course, we are going to fold or seal that rough edge with our belt. So I'll go ahead and sew this to the rough edges. I'll sew it round. And this is what we have. This is what we have. Our beautiful bag is ready. So this is it. Of course, you go ahead and add your handle, that long strap, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Give us a thumbs up and bye.